Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. This is a highly requested video on my channel. You guys DM'd me to see what exhaust I have and how it sounds and how good it sounds, how loud it sounds. So we got here today, we got the FMF full exhaust, header and pipe. Now I believe it doesn't have the spark arrestor. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think so. That's why it's so loud. I am planning to get a spark arrestor because it's way too loud for my liking. It does have the FMF header, so it's a full exhaust. That's why it's so loud. But I mean, that's what gives it the power. I mean, the exhaust FMF is known for power, and it is also known for how loud it is. And I'm not going for loud. So I will be buying I do want a Yoshimura. I do want it because that's the best exhaust out there for any bike. But for right now, this is what I have, so this is what we're working with. Either I buy a spark arrestor or I buy a Yoshimura slip-on, because way too loud for my liking, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna get you guys set up on the tripod, and then we're gonna listen. We're gonna see how loud she is. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Open up your gas lines, prime it a little bit. Whew. As you can see, I mean, it's pretty loud. I love the quality, how loud it is, and just how good it is on, like, when you full throttle. But it's way too loud for my liking. So soon we'll be getting a Yoshimura slip-on, and Yoshi's the way to go. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Loud FMF. Way too loud, but it's so clean and nice. Bad for my hair. I just got on without a helmet, and you know, messes up your hair. But I like the tone, I like the crisp, I like how snappy it is comparing to a Yoshimura or other exhaust. It is a power exhaust. A lot of people run it. A lot of people that don't care about, if you don't care about the sound, how loud it does sound nice. But if you don't care about how loud it is, go with the FMF. Now, if you care about, you know, your neighbors, if you're gonna be riding around town and your neighbors and all that, go with the Yoshimura. It's a little bit more quieter. The quality is still there, and it's basically the same exhaust. But if you're not, if you're just going for power and how loud it is, go for the FMF. But it's so nice. It's just so snappy. I mean, it's so loud. I like it, but when I'm not riding around my house, you know, if I'm running in the dirt, in the trails and all that, I like how loud it is. Other people can hear me, and they know it's a big 450, you know what I mean? But if you're riding around town or just cruising, it's way too loud. Cops can get your attention also. So it's not the best exhaust, depending on what you're doing. We will be doing the spoke cover soon. I got them white. We still got to do the graphics. I still got to buy a new seat. Complete makeover, but it's getting there little by little. I believe the graphics came with the swing arm graphics, so we got to take that one off. And I think the headlight gets here tomorrow. Today is Sunday, so it gets here tomorrow. I'm not gonna do the LED. I'm gonna do a regular headlight, and it's not gonna be white no more. It's gonna be red, so it just matches with the whole bike. Little by little, we may paint the rims. I'm not sure. I'll leave that for another video, or we'll just get different rims. But yeah guys, little by little, I've been slacking a little bit this week. I've just been a little bit busy with some personal problems, but we're getting content out for you guys, so stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for the 450. Big remodeling coming soon. This bike will never look like this again. It's gonna look totally different, so just stay tuned for that. And this little video, so many people requested, here it is. Now you guys know what exhaust to buy, FMF or Yoshimura. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you at the next one.